said, you can find a lot of races. Like, I don't record people, but oh my god, look at that lady running. I mean, you can't see it, but I can, and that's just, you know. And that's, you know. Seriously, where the fuck is the bus? This is like my second. Number 2. Alright, I'm supposed to say the numbers. Another honker. And see, and it's good to catch these cars. But really, where the fuck is it? I mean, honestly, I mean, I always like catching predators, but, like, I also like eating lunch, so, you know, there's that. Oh. Come on. There we go, there it is. Alright.